Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that truly elevates home interiors with style and simplicity. This is hands down the best oak finish 12mm laminate flooring you can install yourself. Let's take a closer look at the Nexus self-adhesive 12-inch vinyl floor tiles by ACHIM Home Decor. Now, if you're looking to refresh your space without the expense and effort of a full flooring renovation, this is your go-to solution. Each box comes with 20 vinyl tiles, each measuring 12 by 12 inches, covering a total of 20 square feet. And yes, they are peel and stick. No glue, no special tools, just peel, place, and press. The finish? It's a stunning oak parquet pattern that brings warmth and character to any room. Whether it's your kitchen, dining room, bedroom, bathroom, or even your foyer or basement, these tiles are designed to blend in with almost any decor style while adding a polished wood look aesthetic. The real advantage lies in how user-friendly the installation process is. You don't need to hire a contractor. Just make sure the surface is flat and dry, and you're good to go. Ideal for renters or anyone who loves DIY home upgrades. It's not just about convenience. These tiles are also high quality. They're 1.2 mm thick, giving them a solid feel underfoot, and they're made from durable vinyl, so they hold up well over time. ACHIM Home Decor has been a trusted name in home improvement since 1962, and this product is a reflection of their commitment to value and quality. From the clean-cut square shape to the detailed oak pattern, these tiles add sophistication without the high price tag. For those who are conscious about their home's aesthetics but don't want to break the bank, this is a smart and stylish option. You can even mix and match patterns from the Nexus line to create a custom look throughout your home. In summary, the Nexus self-adhesive vinyl floor tiles are an affordable, practical, and elegant choice for anyone looking to upgrade their flooring quickly and effectively. With just a few hours of work, you can completely transform the feel of your space. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're ready to give your floors a brand new look with the best oak finish laminate flooring out there, check out the Nexus vinyl tiles link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more home improvement product reviews.